Is life is about making memories. It's about making memories with the people you love. And
Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
so guys, Gain has a new pump cleaner. Remember, I've been using the Dawn. This is the bomb. As a matter of fact, I've been using them together. This smells so fresh and clean. And of course, my old faithful Murphy. So that's what I cleaned the floors with. So I just swept and vacuumed. Um, vacuumed the carpet, and I will vacuum the sofa as well. It's not too bad. And I will put the quick shine on here to finish it up, but I probably will wait until everybody's in bed because that's usually an issue with everybody walking on top of the floors before they dry. I'm probably looking a hot mess right about now, but I don't care. I'm cleaning my house and listening to my music. So I'm in here in my office. Let me show you what I've done. I've just cleaned the floors like I did in the living room. I swept, I cleaned the rug, and it looks like somebody's been in here already. So I'll probably vacuum it again. And cleaning my desk. This last week was rough on you, girl. So anyway, I'm going to be cleaning all this off. I moved the pillows because Buster has a habit of jumping up in the sofa now. So I have to cover that with a sheet, which I have in the wash right now. And, oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I like my chair, guys. The only thing is it is easy to get dirty. Very easy to get dirty. So when I told you earlier that I was using the Dawn and the Gain cleaner, the pump cleaner, I actually cleaned my chair, and I've started to put like a sheet in the chair to protect it because my jeans, or if I'm wearing black clothing or anything, it will come on, it'll get on the chair. So I had an ink stain that I was able to get out over here. It is clean. That's just the indentation from the chair being pulled up to the actual desk. So, and tomorrow, hopefully, I will fill up to changing these pictures, guys. I've made up my mind that I am going to refurbish these pictures. I am going to do a modern design on them, and then I'm going to paint them black. So I'm going to show, hopefully I'll do that tomorrow, but I just wanted to come in and say, hey, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm just sitting here, like I said, I'm just cleaning and listening to music and reminiscing. You know, when you really step back and you think about life, and when you get my age, you can think, there's some years you can think on. And the one thing that keeps popping in my mind about life is about making memories. It's about making memories with the people you love, and people that are around you make memories. So it's been a kind of a tough week too. I've been having a tough time thinking about my girlfriend and my brother-in-law who I lost last year, and just family members and that I recently lost. And it's a lot. It's a lot, but you got to keep going. You got to keep going. You got to have that strength to keep moving, keep going. So with that in mind, I'm not going to hold you guys. It's my Saturday. I'm going to keep cleaning. I'm on a roll now. Your girl is on a roll. The house smells fantastic. Also, the Gain and the Dawn. Guys, I've been cleaning inside the windowsills because it's getting that time of the year where you clean it out before the winter. And without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Sunday. Hey y'all, real quick, it's Sunday. It is August, what is it? Is tomorrow the 15th? I think it is. Today is the 14th, I think. Yeah, it's the 14th. Anyway, I'm on here. A couple of things I wanted to share with you guys. Finally, the finished product for the laundry room. I'll reveal that And also, I wanted to just come in here and chit chat with you guys about a couple of things. Um, your girl is burned out. Around this time every year, my primary job, is very demanding. We have a lot of things going on, and I work, you know, through lunches, breaks, whatever you want to call it, to get the stuff done, even late nights. So I think, and this time of the year, guys, to be honest, I am burned out anyway, with everything. So I'm deciding to do this. Instead of me posting 3 times, I'm breaking up bones for Buster, guys. Just bear with me. Instead of me posting 3 days a week, how about I post on Sundays or Mondays and Thursdays? So I'm thinking Sundays and Thursdays are going to be my days. So Sundays will give me the whole weekend, and Thursdays will give me the days through the week. So I'm going to do that for a while to see how it goes. Last week I hadn't been sleeping for a while, so I hadn't been sleeping very well. Let me correct myself. Just had a lot on my mind, thinking about my friend who passed away, just a lot of things. So I just think it's a Debbie time to take a break. And not that I'm not going to continue to bring you guys content. I am. So I'm just letting you know that instead of 3 days a week, it's going to be 2 days a week. And I apologize for this video. It should have gone up yesterday, but we had a power surge yesterday, several times. So it's very hot in Texas. And when you've run your AC and everybody's running their AC and it's 100 and something temperature for over 3 months, you know, something's bound to do something. So anyway, without further ado, I am going to show you the reveal for the laundry room. And then probably the next clip, I will be soaking in my tub, utilizing my new bath tray, guys. I can't wait to use it. For you mothers, you dads, you deserve it. You deserve to take some time for you. I'm serious. If it's no more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes, take it. You deserve it. So here's the laundry room, guys. So are you guys ready? It's up there, guys. I'm not sure how well it's secure, but it works for now. At least all those things aren't laying everywhere. Like I said before, it could use a touch up with paint, but I'm not going to worry about that right now, guys. So here's the laundry room. And yep. I got those baskets. This one up here particularly was from Target. These here, I think there's 2 side by side, it is. And anyway, I got those from At Home. The 2 plants, I bought those from Amazon. The sign from Amazon. The acrylic dryer sheet. So there it is right there. I do have laundry, guys. And of course, I did an unboxing to show you. Everything here you see, I bought it from Amazon, including the Lazy Susan, and as well as the mat, which says, Alexa, do the laundry. I wish she could. Anywho, I'm done with this room. It's organized, it's functional, and here's the laundry basket I bought at Home. Yep. I think I had this one. This, I call it a, I don't know, plastic bag holder or whatever. I bought it from Amazon as well. And there's my laundry, of course. Washing machine and the dryer. It's all cleaned up, guys. Yep. So that's it. Yep. You have it. I'm done with the laundry room, and I will be finishing up the office space. I've just been interrupted quite a bit, so it's almost done though. And I was planning to uh, redo the canvases that I have in the entryway, but it actually sprinkled today, guys. I thought it was gonna rain, but we just got a sprinkle, so that has to be done outside because it's messy. So I still have that to do. And like I said, your girl is burned out, so I am going to do some self-care for the remainder of this Sunday after or evening. So the next clip you see me, I will be preparing to take my bath, and I will bid you guys a farewell of a good weekend, and wishing you all a very productive and safe week to come. So stay tuned.